So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be showing you some of my marble runs and how you build one. So, let's get started. I just made a marble run, so let's show you that, and then I'll show you how to build one. Here we go. So let's get some marbles. Okay. You guys ready for something so cool? Pay attention. Comment down below if you followed the marble all the way.
That's because you didn't learn the spell checker last time, and you probably had a lot of errors in it. I mean, you're welcome to do that, but I just think that's crazy.
Okay, you guys want to try it fast? Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, you can add a header. I think you already have.
Oh!
So you have to go.
It did work before, guys. It did work. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you thought that was cool. Okay, so now let's make a new one. First, let's start off with a sort of simple one. So, let's do that. So, this is a pretty simple one that we have right here. And if you guys have these kind of pieces, you can definitely follow along and make one. So, if you have the same marble run kit, you should probably have these pieces. You're going to need one of these. And we're going to first by placing this right here. And then you're going to need two of these guys, you see? And then we're going to stack them and put them on. And then you need this piece, it's your ending piece. We're going to put that one right here. And you're going to need this piece right here. And this is going to connect a little bit later. So we're going to place this right here. And then we're going to take this and put this on right here. So you're going to need these two and one of these pieces. And then connect. You guys see that? Okay. And then you should have some more of these, red and green. And you're going to see, if you look on the bottom, there's an open side and a closed side. You're going to put the closed side where the open side is on this, and the closed side, and the open side on the closed side. And then, just take one of these pieces and add it to the closed side right here. So, you guys want to see the marble run? Okay. So, let's get this set up. Okay.
Well, the position there,
3, 2,
is at
1.
the top or the bottom.
Woo! Okay. You guys want to do it again? Let's give some more supporters. If it's not super supportive for you, take a couple of these pieces, and then you are good to go. So, here we go again, because everybody makes mistakes, and just keep trying if this doesn't work out for you. There you go.
That says what?